Alright guys, really excited about this video. I'm not going to talk too long here. I already did a little intro a year ago because this video's been a year in the making. But yes, today's December 6th, 2021, and I've had my dreads for an entire year. It is actually wild. I've been trying to hit this milestone for longer than a year, much longer, and it's just really amazing to see how far I've come and see where I am now, dread wise and otherwise. If you're returning to the channel, welcome. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you for coming along with me for this journey. Again, I'm cheesed. I'm so happy. It's been a great day. And if you're new, welcome. I'm still going. I'm not done yet. So subscribe and follow along for more. And yeah, let's just get right into it. What's goody? It's your boy T King. And yeah, I mean, you see, something's different maybe, but if you clicked on this video, you already know what's up. I wanted to welcome you if you are new to the channel, and if you're not, thank you for returning. I'm excited for this. I'm excited. We're about to go up. So yeah, stay tuned. Enjoy. I think it's time that I start my dreads. Third time's a charm. Yeah, this is day 0, day 1. I always start off with a 2-strand twist. I'm gonna section my hair into 4 parts. Which I do not want. Alright, so I kind of have these 2 sections now. I do a little cross section thing. As I explained, this is how I started my last set of dreads. 4 sections. So I went and tried to clean up the sections a little bit, make them a little bit more even, so hopefully they're looking alright. I mentioned I'm not going to be using like lock gel or beeswax or any other products. But I'm going to be using oil. It's important to keep your hair moisturized, and oil won't lead to buildup. I'm just going to be using my normal coconut oil. It's been a minute since I showered, so I'm going to make sure that I get my hair damp again. First of all, this front-facing iPhone camera does not do this justice. I low-key bodied this first section. I'm not going to lie. It's looking real crispy in real life, like in the mirror. But you know, like I just have some normal like brick layers. Like that's basically what I'm doing. I got 3 here, and 4 back here. So I'm gonna try to just replicate the same thing over here. Then I'll figure out the back later. Alright, this is where the magic happens. So I already started off by creating a horizontal part for my first row of dreads. And then you see me here parting a smaller section in that first row. I'm going to coil it, which really helps me separate the hairs, and it increases hold for the style later on. And this coil is going to become a single dread. Then I go on to basically repeat that coiling process with an adjacent set tuft of hair. And I gotta check, make sure that I am satisfied with the parts. Go on to coil it. And finally, I take those 2 coils, really make sure that they're nice and tight, and I twist them over one another. So that will create the 2-strand twist. So one 2-strand twist has 2 strands, which means it has 2 dreads. I'm gonna leave these in for 2 weeks without washing my hair. And yeah, that's the beginning of my dreads. So that was the first half. First front portion of my head. That section only took 20 minutes in comparison to the half hour before, so as you can see, it got easier as I went along. Now the challenge is going to be doing the back. Alright, so I finished 3/4 of it. Is definitely harder than the front. I got some like videos of basically how I sectioned out the back. I had to use my phone and a mirror. I think it'll turn out alright. The back is definitely like last time my back looked wonky, bro, so I like it to look good. But I'm about to finish this last section and I'll be back. Alright. So I've reached the final two-strand twists. I'm on like the last row in the back of my head. So I'm gonna show you where I have like this full of like warm water. I don't know why, but basically I'll try to show you guys basically what I've been doing for the back. I basically figured out the sectioning for this part and I just tried to mirror it on that part, and I'll have a video of me figuring out the parts and stuff that I was kind of just doing on Snapchat. You can see this is my last little section of hair. Damp. Kind of just want to split it into 2 portions just because that's what I did over here. So yeah, hopefully you could see that. But this is the set. This is what we're working with, and again, I mean, at least the front definitely looks pretty darn good in person. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna wear my do-rag to sleep so that everything lays down instead of like sticking out like in the back. But I think the sizes are pretty consistent. I really like doing 2-strand twist, and like later on you'll see how I'm gonna do braids and like cornrows and barrel twists and all that, because I did a barrel twist, yeah. But yeah, more to come. I think I'm gonna give myself a quick cut. You know what? I don't know. It's kind of late to be honest. I'll say that for later. But yeah. So I'll give the final 360. Again, I'll wear the do-rag to sleep, but. So like, comment, subscribe. I hope you like the vibe. Enjoyed making it. This video definitely was a process, but I'm really excited for what is to come. So stay tuned, like, subscribe and share this video.